Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Soulmate Predictor filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here you will see a search button. Just tap there and search for Soulmate Predictor. Yeah, the first one. Remember this image. This is the filter. Just tap on it. Okay, it will scan for a second and this is the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for Soulmate Predictor. Okay, so on the top row you will see the effect icon. If you can't see the effect icon, you can tap on any of this video. Okay, and on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button. You will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.